Hello everyone! In this video, we discuss about exponential models, and under exponential models we discuss on how to solve growth factor and exponential growth. So let's get started and let's try to solve some problems. So first, let's determine what is a growth factor. Growth factor, it is a form by adding the specified percent increase to 100% and then changing to its decimal form. Simply, just add 100% in the specified percent increased. To better understand this, here is the example. The quantity is increases by 30%. So, to determine the growth factor, we will add 100% plus 30% is equals to 130%. But we need the growth factor to be decimal, so we need to move the decimal 2 times to the left. Then it will be 1.30 in decimal form. So, our growth factor is 1.30. So next, let's discuss on how to solve the exponential growth. An exponential growth can be modeled as y is equals to ab raised to x, where a is the starting number, b is the growth factor, and x is the number of intervals, which is the minutes, years, months, and so on. To better understand this, here is the example and let's try to solve these problems. Example number 1. A population of 1,000 different animals at the zoo grows at a rate of 9% per year. How many animals in the zoo will there be after 2 years? Before we solve this, let's determine what is the A, the starting number, the B, the growth factor, and the X, the intervals. So A is 1,000, B is 9%. So to determine the growth factor, we will add 100% plus 9%. So 100% plus 9% is equals to 109%. But we need the growth factor to be decimal. So we need to move the decimal 2 times to the left. Then it will be 1.09. But note, when the growth factor is in decimal form, do not add percent. And the x is 2. Y is equals to ab raised to x. So, y is equals to 1,000, which is the a, multiply to 1.09, which is the b, raised to 2, which is the x. Y is equals to 1,000 multiply to 1.09 raised to 2, which is 1.188. So, y is equals to 1,000 multiply to 1.188 is equals to 1,188. So, there will be 1,188 animals in the zoo after 2 years. So, let's proceed to the next example. Example number 2. John bought a painting 3 years ago that cost 27,500 pesos. Each year, the value of the painting increases by 8%. How much is John's painting worth now? But before we solve this, let's identify the A, B, and the X. A is equals to 27,500. B is equals to 8%. So 100% plus 8% is equals to 1.08%. But we need the growth factor to be decimal. So we need to move the decimal 2 times to the left, then it will be 1.08. Remember, when the growth factor is in decimal form, do not add percent. And the x is equals to 3. Y is equals to AB raised to x. Y is equals to 27,500 multiplied to 1.08 raised to 3. So, y is equals to 27,500 multiplied to 1.08 raised to 3. So 1.08 raised to 3 is 1.259712. So 27,500 multiplied to 1.259712 is equals to 34,642.08. John's painting is now worth 34,642 pesos and 8 centavos.